How do you use the Microsoft Teams app on the iPad? So let's get started. If it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, you download the app from the App Store. You can get inside as such, and you essentially have two options. If you want to use it without the account, without signing in, you have the ability because you can open up the app, don't even sign in, but just click on join a meeting, and you'll be presented with the interface to basically type in the meeting ID, and that's ideal if you only want to use it every once in a while, or you only use it once as an exception, right? So you don't have to create any account and just join a meeting like that without any account needed. But if you want to use it a bit more consistently, then it would make much more sense to get the Microsoft account and sign in with it. Because once you are inside of the app, you are going to notice that I'm already signed in. This is what it looks like, and I have much more features to play with. So I have things like chats, I have the meetings there, I have communities, and I can even see the past voice calls or video calls, whatever. But most importantly, with an account, I also have the ability to create the link and initiate meetings myself. So I can tap on create a link as such, that is going to be the thing. And then I can click on join and essentially just share the link with other people. So we can join it on a call like that. And that's kind of how it works. So yeah, you can then join it now. And of course, if there are some more things like that, you have to explore more features once you are already part of that video recording. So you can see we have the chat option below. We have the screen sharing of the screen. Then we can see some effects and emojis. And yeah, that's like the usual interface of the video calling app. So if you need a bit more guidance, check out some of the other tutorials about the app on this channel, some things which are much more concrete. So let me know what you think about that below in the comments. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I hopefully get to see you later in the future videos as well.